The bullet was shot at the house and ended up going straight through. Inside, a woman and her fiancé froze as the stray bullet headed straight for her. But in between them, her trusty tumbler filled with ice water was sitting squarely on the table. And instead of hitting her, the bullet struck the cup. It sparked against the metal before tumbling harmlessly to the ground, saving her life.
Bear spray might help if you're being attacked by a polar bear. It's made from concentrated capsaicin, the active ingredient in chili peppers. And when you spray it, the capsaicin causes intense burning in the bear's eyes, nose, and lungs, temporarily blinding and overwhelming the animal's senses. This gives you crucial time to escape, as the bear is likely to be incapacitated. If you touch an Australian stinging tree, the leaves are actually covered in tiny needle-like hairs that inject venom into your skin. This venom causes intense pain that can last for a long time. And if you try to remove them with your hands, you might break the hairs, causing more pain. So instead, you should apply sticky tape and peel it off slowly. This will pull out the hairs intact, reducing the pain and irritation. If you pour grease down your sink, it can mix with other waste materials like wet wipes and diapers, creating a blockage. As the mass grows, it clings to the sewer walls, forming a hard rock-like substance. Over time, these fatbergs can become enormous, blocking pipes and causing sewage to back up. And they can grow so large that workers have to manually break off pieces with shovels until it's able to be removed.
If your eyeballs fully popped out of your head, you would completely lose your vision. So what would you actually see? Well, most people think that you would see darkness, like pitch black. But that's not actually true. You wouldn't see darkness because you wouldn't see anything at all. It would be like trying to see out of your elbow. There's no visual input, which means you quite literally see nothing. Not darkness, not pitch black. Nothing. Have you ever rubbed your eyes really hard and ended up seeing trippy colors and lights? Well, there's a pretty straightforward explanation for this. You see, we have these cells in our eyes that interpret our vision by sending signals to the brain. And when you rub your eyes, these cells get activated. They send a signal to the brain that you're seeing something, even though you aren't. So your brain just sort of adds these colors and lights into your vision because it thinks you're supposed to be seeing something.